Hi, this is John with WTI. And what I have with me is my Swiss Army knife when it comes to having breakfast or any quick meal related with peanut butter. This is the Peter Pan peanut butter with honey. It's creamy, but at the same time, you feel like this little soft taste of the little chunks of the peanut, and it's just awesome. And I've used this for all these different occasions. I use this with milkshake. I use this with shakes, my oatmeal. I would do this for even pancakes. Pancakes with this guy here is a game changer because it's not your typical, okay, you got peanut butter, put it there, and you know it's gonna taste like peanut butter. This guy here with the honey and the little taste of the chunks of the peanut, it's just it gives you an out of this world sensation. By far my favorite peanut butter that I've had this year. And I'm gonna keep just going with it straight. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.